Hey viewers, Assalamu alaikum to one and all. Ready to dive into the incredible journey of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? His pure life is a captivating tale of compassion, resilience, and profound wisdom. From the humble beginnings in Mecca to the transformative moments in Medina, each chapter reveals a man of unparalleled character. Get ready to be inspired as we explore the story of a prophet who left an indelible mark on history, guiding millions with his teachings of love, justice, and faith. Buckle up for an enlightening ride through the life of a remarkable leader and last messenger. The dawn of light in the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, in the city of Mecca, a child named Muhammad was born. His arrival in the year of the elephant marked the beginning of a life that would illuminate the world with unparalleled wisdom and compassion. Orphaned at a tender age, Muhammad, peace be upon him, grew up under the care of his grandfather and later his uncle. Even in his youth, he earned the title Al-Amin, the trustworthy, a testament to his honesty and integrity. As Muhammad matured, he became known for his profound reflections on the complexities of life. The bustling trade caravans passing through Mecca brought diverse cultures and beliefs, stirring contemplation in the young man's heart. One fateful night, as he sought solace in the cave of Hira, the angel Gabriel appeared to him with the first revelation from Allah. "Read in the name of your Lord," echoed the divine command. This marked the beginning of a journey that would shape the destiny of humanity. The early years of prophethood were met with resistance and ridicule. Yet, the prophet persisted in delivering the message of monotheism and social justice. His unwavering dedication to truth attracted a small but devoted group of followers, including his beloved wife Khadijah and loyal friend Abu Bakr. As the opposition intensified, the Muslims faced persecution and economic boycotts. The Prophet's journey to Ta'if stands as a poignant chapter where he endured rejection and hardship, yet remained steadfast in his mission. The turning point came with the miraculous night journey, during which the Prophet was transported from Mecca to Jerusalem and ascended through the heavens. This divine experience fortified his spirit, preparing him for the challenges that lay ahead. The migration to Medina marked a critical juncture. The Prophet's leadership transformed a fragmented community into a cohesive society based on justice and compassion. The Constitution of Medina, a groundbreaking document, established a framework for peaceful coexistence among Muslims and non-Muslims alike. The battles of Badr and Uhud tested the resilience of the believers. In adversity, the Prophet exemplified patience and forgiveness, demonstrating that true strength lies in controlling oneself in moments of anger. The tapestry unfolds as Islam continued to spread. The Prophet faced external threats from various tribes and leaders. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah, although initially appearing unfavorable, laid the foundation for peace and allowed the message of Islam to reach far and wide. The conquest of Mecca, a momentous event, was not a triumph of revenge, but a victory of mercy. The Prophet forgave even those who had persecuted him, embodying the transformative power of forgiveness. In his final pilgrimage, the Prophet delivered a farewell sermon that encapsulated the essence of Islam. He emphasized the sanctity of life, equality, and justice, leaving a timeless blueprint for the generations to come. The Prophet's passing marked the end of an era, but his legacy endured through the hearts of his companions. The compilation of the Quran, meticulously preserved under his guidance, became a guiding light for humanity. The four rightly guided caliphs, Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and Ali, carried the torch of leadership after the Prophet. Their dedication ensured the continued spread of Islam, reaching distant lands and diverse cultures. Throughout history, the contributions of Muslim scholars in various fields, science, medicine, philosophy, and art, reflected the harmonious integration of faith and reason, inspired by the Prophet's teachings. As the Islamic civilization flourished, it became a bridge between the ancient wisdom of the East and the intellectual resurgence of the West. The House of Wisdom in Baghdad became a center of learning, translating, and preserving ancient texts, contributing to the Renaissance centuries later. The Prophet's life, a tapestry of humility, compassion, and unwavering faith, continues to inspire millions around the globe. His teachings remain a source of guidance in navigating the complexities of the modern world. In the 21st century, the story of Prophet Muhammad echoes through the corridors of time, reminding humanity of the values that transcend cultural and religious boundaries. The call to justice, compassion, and unity reverberates, inviting people to reflect on the timeless wisdom encapsulated in the life of a man who transformed the course of history. Hey, amazing YouTubers! We're on a journey to share incredible Islamic stories that touch hearts. Join us on Spiritual Miracle Tales, where inspiration meets storytelling magic. Subscribe for a sprinkle of spirituality, and let's create a community of wonder together. Let the journey begin, and let's spread the joy. Spiritual